Yeah, they didn't get the engine compartment cleaned up too well, but this is a really nice 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. So we're talking about just a 2 model years old. Cloth interior. And it's got the touchscreen radio. Doesn't contain nav. Does have 4-wheel drive and Selec-Terrain. 42,000 miles on it. I hope you can read that there. Hands-free phone, Bluetooth. Perfect body. Good tires on it. Just a nice rig all the way around. Great for getting around in the winter. Here's the back hatch. And you can see the Latitude is a little bit more of a base model, so it's a manual hatch. But the Latitude's a very popular model. Once again, let's kind of bring you in and show you the seats. Everything's in immaculate condition in this vehicle. It's a top piece. And I would say if you're looking at a Cherokee, you could do a whole lot worse. So you can see the tire tread with plenty of wear indicators. It's clean, it's straight, it's perfect. There's really no scratches on it, no dings, no dents. Just all the way around a super nice vehicle. Come on, check it out here at Stony Mountain Motors and take it home.